So how can you loop a video in a Capcut on iPhone? Let's get started. So open up the Capcut application, start a brand new project like this, and you want to import the video to the timeline. All right, so you can include the video like this. And if you want the video to be looped, meaning that it will play it over and over again, what you can do is to select it down below at the timeline, and you can then click on a duplicate, which is the little like square icon with like two squares on top of each other. And you can duplicate the layers right here, or the video clips, basically indefinitely, right? So you can just duplicate it at least like 6 or 7 times, right? Depending on the length of the video. And then you will have a video which is going to contain the same clip being played like 10 times over. And it just means that it will be looped over and over again until you are happy with the length, right? Once you are done, after, let's say you duplicated it like 10 times, you can then tap on export, perhaps adjust the export settings before, to ensure some good quality or whatever. But then you can export and the video will be repeated. It will be looped like that. So that's it from me about this topic. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.